Welcome. In this video I will show you how to format a microSD card and move apps and files to it on your DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. So first of all, make sure that your SD card is inserted and recognized by your tablet. Then you have to go to settings on your tablet and scroll down to storage. In storage, select your SD card instead of this device. Then tap the three dot icon in the top right corner. Select format. Now make sure that you are prepared to format your SD card, since after you do this, all data will be erased from it. So if you're okay with that, tap format. Then confirm. And wait until your SD card is formatted. Okay? Now tap done. And after that, our SD card will be named external, and we can access files of it, of the external SD card, and we can move all the files here. Now we can create new folders. We can basically open the files application on our tablet. Let me just find it. Here we have it. And now we can for example, transfer our images from the internal storage by tapping move to, then SD card, then let's move them here, and as you can see, we can store all the media and also some applications, supported applications, on our SD card. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.